Using the spell command. If we're not in a text object, we can use the spell command. And I'm over in the Annotate tab, and over on the left side here, I have Check Spelling. When I click on it, I can check spelling on either all of the drawing or part of the drawing. Where it says here where to check, I can check the entire drawing, or just the current space like model space or the layout tab, or I can select certain objects. I highly recommend checking the entire drawing. Hey, why do we want to incorrect spelling in anywhere in our drawing? So for the entire drawing, I'm just going to say start. It's going to search through the drawing and it's going to find, hey, not in the drawing, second floor. Oh, that's a typo. So all we have to do is, oh, I really want second, is say change. And I can hit that, and it goes on and finds the next one. It says, oh, not in the dictionary is roof. Well, we wanted roof. Okay, so I'm going to hit change. Now, I could go through and say change all. That means anytime it finds this spelling, it's going to change it to roof. I could do it one at a time, or I can do it through the whole drawing at one time. Or, if it's what I really want, I can ignore it, but I'm going to change it. And here I find north, and I really want it north. But if it was the correct way you wanted it spelled, you can ignore it just the one time, or you can ignore it all, or if it's the correct spelling of something, you can add it to the dictionary. So in this case, I'm going to change it. And when it's done, it'll go through and finish. But here you can see the initials. I'm going to ignore that. And down here, building is an abbreviation. I could usually add that into the dictionary, but I'm just going to ignore that. And again, I'm going to ignore the initials of the company and ignore the initials of Saskatchewan, right? And I could ignore all and ignore all. And when it's done, it'll say, hey, the spelling check is complete. And we are checking the American English at this point dictionary. There's other dictionaries. We have the British English, Canadian English, and many other languages here. So you can change dictionaries if needed. So the spell command is found here in the Annotate tab, and it's used for checking spelling without being in the text object. So we can check the entire drawing, or we can window and select a whole section of drawing if needed. And I like checking the entire drawing. Now, if I'm in some text object, I might want to come up here and where it says spell check, I have a spell check settings dialog box here, and here I can control some of my settings for checking spelling. I can ignore capital words, I can ignore words with mixed cases, like true type. I can ignore words that are in uppercase, because you might want to do that. A lot of times we write in uppercase. You can ignore words that have numbers in them, like ISO 9000. We can ignore words containing some punctuation. So we can decide what to put in and what to take out when we do check our spellings, and you might want to tweak that a little bit. But I always recommend checking your spelling before ever handing out your drawings. So use the spell command located up here to check the entire drawing.